But yet, the talk of punishment, the talk of tshuva, this is all standard language. When a person understands that sometimes that apology or that tshuva or whatever it is that you're doing is not enough, if you understand it properly, instead of having your ego decide what to do in your life, then you could adjust. Because if you understand it properly that what you did is not enough, then you quickly realize, okay, if I really meant it, then I'll do more. I'll do something that is in line with the damage that I caused. If I caused 100 damage and the apology was only 5, if I don't care, then I'm just going to stop and, okay, they don't want to forgive me, they don't want to forgive me, fine. But if I did damage of 100 and the apology was only worth 5, and I really do care, then I have to do something that's going to make up the other 95. I have to do something to make up the other 95. Why? Because the Torah tells us sometimes it's just not good enough. It's just not good enough. A person asked me a few days ago, does Hashem still bring suffering to people that have done tshuva? And the answer is, it depends on the tshuva. It depends on the tshuva, and it depends on the tikkun. The Gemara in Masechet Yoman, page 86, talks about how different sins have different tikkunim. Some simply saying, I'm sorry, committing not to do it again, and then fulfilling Yom Kippur properly is enough to fix that sin. Some, it's not enough. You need more than Yom Kippur. And the Gemara continues. Some, it's Yom Kippur. And some, it's also suffering. And some, it's Yom Kippur and suffering and death. Meaning that when their life ends at some point, when Hashem decides, that's when the forgiveness will begin. Meaning that a person has to understand that every sin has its category, has its level. It's not all one basket. It's not black or white. It's not yes or no. The Torah is not a black and white or yes or no, true or false type of man-made document. The Torah is divine, therefore, things are much different than what we would like to think.